Today we will discuss about a topic called annuity. Okay, this comes in BSc first year economics maths. So here annuity, it is a sequence of equal payments made at equal interval of time. Suppose you have this timeline. Okay, now this is your 0 year, means today. Okay, this is your first year. So this is 0. Today is the beginning of the first year, right? This is the end of the first year or beginning of the second year. This is your second year or end of the second year. Then this is your beginning of the third year or end of the second year. This is the beginning of 0 is the beginning of the first year. First is the end of the first year or beginning of the second year. Similarly, this is your beginning of third year or end of second year, right? Similarly, this will be the beginning of fourth year or end of third year, right? So like that we are proceeding, and till nth year we are going. Okay, this is your n minus of 1th year, and this is your nth year. Okay, so the payment you can start from here, equal payments. Okay, equal payment, that is called the annuity. So for example, when you take a home loan, so you don't pay the home loan immediately. You after 1 year, you start the payment, right? So this type of annuity is called ordinary annuity or immediate annuity. Okay, so this is the, suppose I am telling it as EMI, right? EMI, first EMI, and all these values will be equal. Let I am telling this value as A, this A, here also A, like that you pay till this, right? Like this you pay. Now for some of the cases you may find that you start paying EMI from here itself. Right, and you end up here. So if you add from here to this place, see, it will come n equal EMI, right? Here also equal payment will be from here to here. If you add together, that will the number of payments, if you see, it will come n. For example, look here, this is the first one, second, 2, third, so nth, this is the nth, and here at the beginning when you are starting, you have to end here, then this will give you n times, right? So for example, if you take the 3 years, so 1, 2, 3, 4, in 3 years you are paying 4 times EMI, right? Or 4 times annuity you are paying. So this is n plus of 1. So n minus of 1 means this will give you nth year, right? So nth year you are paying this. So this annuity, whatever you are paying, it will gain some interest. Am I correct? So when you are paying here, it will gain the interest because you are starting from here and ending here, right? So here it will gain how many years? Nth years. So this will gain the interest of the total amount. If you see, if you use the compound formula, 1 plus of I raised to the power n, where I is nothing but rate of interest. Okay, so this will be suppose 5% means 5 by 100. Okay, I am not writing in percentage, I am writing in decimal. So this is 0.05, right? So this is how this will gain the interest of how many years? See, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, like that, 10th year. So when I am here, so this is 1, 2 years, so n will become 2, right? When it is nth, so and this will gain the interest of A into 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus of 1. This will gain the means this will the amount, it will yield you to the amount of rupees is where n minus of 2. Similarly, this will give you a 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus 3. So similarly for this, it will come a into 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus of 1, right? And this will give you the amount of a into 1 plus I n minus of n, right? So if you add all this together, all this amount together, then what value you are getting? That is called the future value. That is called the future value, okay, of the annuity A, right? So this is the future value of annuity A. This type of annuity is called this type of annuity, okay. This type of annuity is called annuity due. Annuity due. And this type of annuity, this type of annuity is called the first one, when you start paying the amount after the end of the term, okay. So end of the period, sorry, not term. There is the difference between term and period, okay. So this is the immediate annuity or ordinary annuity, immediate or ordinary annuity, okay. So these are the two types of annuity we have. Another types are also there. This depends upon the when you are paying it, based on your mode of payment, whether you are paying at the beginning of the year, or you are paying at the end of the year. So here you see this EMI you are paying at the end of the first year, isn't it? This EMI you are paying at the beginning of the first year. So this is the annuity due. This is the immediate or ordinary annuity, okay. So this is about, so next class we will discuss about this, let me write it here, this is the class 1, okay, lecture 1. Next class we will discuss about the present value, how to find out the present value formula, how to find out the future value formula, all these things, okay. Okay, hope you have understood it. Yes, thank you.